can divorce really be done without a lawyer?
So the answer is yes. Theoretically, somebody could go on LegalZoom and download the form that says petition for dissolution of marriage or marital settlement agreement. And yes, you could do that and navigate the process. And my advice always, if you were my brother or anyone who I was very close with, and this is how I approach all my clients, is you only get really one shot to do this. And unless it's a modification, which, but this is your divorce, and you want to make sure that all your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted, and that you understand all of your rights and obligations. And what happens is when we see people who have tried to do it themselves, not only does it take incrementally longer because you're just trying to navigate the system, but years down the line, there's disputes, there's conflicts, there's issues, and all of which could have been avoided if it was sort of like flushed out through a lawyer and you made that investment up front to kind of save you the headache and the chaos on the back end.
Yeah, it's a good answer. And as we talk about the peace of mind of having somebody to help you navigate it when you're emotionally charged and you have so much going on, highly recommend, like you said, even consulting with one, worth the investment. Like you said, everything is a cost benefit analysis, and this certainly is one that is most likely worth the investment.
Yeah. And one thing to add to that, Rob, but it's so much of the divorce process is finding certainty and buying yourself certainty. And if you, for that peace of mind, like you were saying, if you can get that peace of mind and you can get that clarity rather than, running for another 6 months and exchanging documents and kind of living in this chaotic atmosphere, to buy yourself that certainty, to buy yourself that ear on the other side of the phone to actually get an answer other than Googling is so valuable in terms of just the overall disposition of yourself and ultimately the divorce.
Absolutely. Well, Jordan, this was excellent. Let people know where they can connect with you.
Awesome. So Jordan Rosenberg, I work at a firm called Bierman LLP. It's BEERMANN Law. And my email is jrosenberg@biermanlaw.com. And direct is 312-262-2567.
Jordan, thank you so much for answering these questions. We'll see you next month with a whole new batch of them.
Awesome. Looking forward to it. Thanks, Rob.
Thanks.
Thanks, everybody.